thing on?
Mia likes to be in videos.
Yeah, she's on.
She wants to be famous. You want to be famous?
All right, so we're back at it again, and we're going on what's supposedly a secret mission. I don't know what that means. I don't know what's going on, but we got Mia with us. Mia-san,
Hi.
say hi.
Hi.
All right, so I don't even know where we're going. I've never been here before. Oh, we're gonna pass Kintai-kyo. It's like an ancient bridge.
You ever been there?
Yeah, I've been there.
You have been up to the castle?
Yep.
You walked up there, you cheated.
Walked. No, I walked. I did it the right way.
Ah, okay.
Because you can take the little tram car, right?
Yeah.
That's the cheater way.
That's the cheater way.
You gotta walk up to the
Did
castle.
you walk?
Yep.
You been up to the
I cheat.
onsen? There's an onsen up here.
Oh, there is?
Right across the street, so you can be in the onsen. There's like one outside, so you can be outside butt naked looking at the castle with the.
Go get the tattoo then.
Oh, is this it? They fixed it?
They're
Oh, they're working on it.
And then this right here has got the onsen upstairs.
Yeah, this is the onsen hotel. It's really cool.
Very
You just have to
cool.
hide all your tattoos.
So that right there is Kintai-kyo. It's an ancient bridge.
And then you can look, maybe you can see it back
And
up
then
there.
if you go top, that's the castle, right? Straight over there?
Right over there. Yeah.
It's very little. Top right of your screen. But yeah, it's really cool. Get to go up there and see the castle, and got a bunch of ancient artifacts like samurai gear and all that really cool stuff. Too bad they're under construction, can't really see it, but yeah, that's the Kintai Bridge.
And then you walk around here, you can probably get some like cool little artifacts around here.
Yeah.
Gonna be a Juma when the honeybee's out.
Alright. Still don't know where I'm going, but we'll see how this turns out.
What you need is.
Quick.
Why are you? Come on, jackass.
You are the jackass.
No, this dude comes to a complete stop before he makes a turn. That makes him a jackass.
Why are mommy and daddy arguing?
The window's not.
Nice.
No, his team. Mia doesn't want to live out here. I'm pretty sure buying a house out here is cheap. You get a whole, look at that, a whole ninja house. What are you eating?
A ninja
Hey,
house.
what are you eating? What kind of candy?
This is like.
Is it still under warranty?
And they're driving around like a jackass.
Alright, good, we're good. You cop?
God.
Why is he slowing down?
He's coming back.
I believe it. What they need to do is sell me that car.
It's so weird.
All it is.
Oh, maybe we can get this truck to move fast.
Or we could just buy the boss's AMG. Yeah. Yeah, you know what's cool? He wears a Brabus jacket. Did you notice that?
Over there.
Alright, so you said you had a surprise, didn't you?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, it's definitely a surprise. She's running. A little rough, but she's running.
For like the whole carburetor, I'm gonna have to do the headers and a bunch of other stuff. And
Just
so
like,
it's gonna run me around $5,000
Yeah.
ish. So maybe next year, have a little bit more on it. Stacked
gotcha.
up.
Yeah. You want to be in my video too?
YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. What else they working on out here?
Pretty dope car, I like it.
Yeah, it is cool. So they're gonna try and get it ready. You trying to take a ride or something? drifted. You don't need music.
I just need a bigger muffler. Yeah.
Did you know I made this?
Yeah, it looks good. The headliner.
Yeah.
That's one reason why I don't want to cut it.
You wanna drive? You're gonna drive?
He's gonna drive?
Yeah.
Oh, then I'm definitely getting out. Oh. First ride. So right now Chris is out there taking his Skyline for his first ride. Little maiden voyage. He's got a smile on his face. I'm happy for him. Trying to just catch some footage of him coming in here. Try and get a nice shot of it. I think this is him. Just trying to get the mirror up in there. Couldn't see nothing.
There we go. Oh, there's a flash.
First ride, how'd she feel?
Good.
Yeah, she felt good? There you go.
See the other one. He says flush.
Alright, so every time I come through here, I like to take a walk and look at some of his inventory. Doesn't change too much, but still, it's always a pleasure looking at these things. So let's take a look at what he's got here. He's got a bunch of Skylines, Mazdas. He's got a ton of stuff back here. Couple of bikes, old Kawasaki. I like this one back here. It's pretty nice. Definitely don't see too many of those. Just got a ton of other stuff in here. kind of crowded. Can't go walk too far back there. Got some wheels, some seats, some more stuff on the back wall. Some beautiful stuff back here. Never disappointed when I come here. It's always some good stuff. Alright, man, so yours is pretty much almost there.
Yeah.
So they're just finishing up some paperwork, right?
Yeah, that's what my wife said.
Yeah. Good thing you got her, because I know you can't read all that stuff.
No, just, yes.
Sign,
no,
sign,
yes,
sign,
yes.
sign. And it's always good to see this one. I'm excited. Put the down payment. And then that's my hatch over there, right?
Yeah, that's your hatch.
So they bought me a new hatch. Did some body work to it. So apparently the hatch on the other one isn't, it's not fitting right, and it's aftermarket.
It's FLP, so
Yeah.
and then I guess he put like extra gum in though, like the double seal.
But as you can see, this hatch isn't perfectly lining up. So they're giving me a new one. And then it's got like this little setup so it actually stays. But that'll all be gone. There you go. So my 8.6, your Skyline. It'll be a good time once we get them both on the road, huh?
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
So they have some people down in Hiroshima too. They have classics.
Classics. Start all classic crew. Yeah, but she rode nice, man. I mean, she was moving. The idle's a little rough, but you know, it's these old cars. That's how they are. So,
I don't know what they had to do to make it pass small.
yeah.
Because it failed like a bunch of times. They spent all yesterday trying to get that
Trying
shit
to get it to pass.
Because they went up the 3 times. Yesterday was the 3rd time. The first time it died, it went keep grinding.
Hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Hey, hop in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Yeah, I'm getting stupid amounts. Hey, so much that I'm losing accounts. Hey, I'm a young boss in my state. Yeah, so I gotta stay in my town. Hey, I think I'm staying around. Hey, what is they talking about? Hey, they know I've been in the lab. Yeah, bro, why they all going out? Hey, I got the money, it's inside. They wanna ask why I been why. In 2018, they still hate it. I see them now, they all switch sides. I told them all that I've been fly. There ain't no faking on this side. They try to give me a small deal. I need big bills, I'm a big guy. I'm in a whip and I'm out. I need so much I can't count. Oh, and I don't need no college, cause I'm getting stupid amounts. Hey,